All right, I'm calling this Hobo Chicken. Get yourself a pot, put a bunch of chicken in it. In this case, it's a bunch of chicken thighs. Cook it. I'm gonna cook it till it's pretty well done. Starts falling off the bones. And then I got some squash. I'll put that in there. And I'll put a bunch of frozen veggies in there. And it'll be great. Okay, Hobo Chicken. Just added the frozen vegetables and the squash, so it's not nearly up to temperature. The thighs were cooked to the point where I could peel them off the bone if I wanted. Really tried, which I want to cook a little bit more. So what I'll do is I'll have this cook for a while. I set it up for 40 minutes right now. So yeah. All right. Hobo Chicken. It's coming off the bone. Yeah, there. It's looking like another 10-15 minutes here. I'll probably go through and grab all those thigh bones out of there. It's looking pretty good.